Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Coca-Cola is made. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Through precise formulas and careful mixing, we ensure the consistent taste of Coca-Cola worldwide.
Each batch is refined and tested to meet Coca-Cola's strict quality standards.
The throughput is exceeding targets by 10%.
The new calibration seems to be working perfectly.
Every Coca-Cola product is carefully checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, stir and infused from start to finish.